Good morning, dear students. Today we'll be starting a new chapter, that is chapter 14, Chemical Effects of Electric Current. So, the first thing which comes into the chapter is what is electricity? As you all know that electricity is an essential part of modern living. It is one of the most important of all the forms of energy. जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी हमारे लिए कितनी ज़रूरी है और ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है in all the forms of energy, as it provides us heat and light and helps us to operate a variety of machinery like motor parts, refrigerators, television sets, ovens, pumps, heaters, etc. ठीक है, आपको पता है कि हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करते हैं. वी यूज़ देम for operating various machinery, refrigerators, television sets, ovens, pumps, heaters, etc. And electricity gives a wide variety of well-known effects such as lightning, static electricity, electromagnetic induction, and electrical current. In addition, electricity permits the creation and reception of electromagnetic radiation such as radio waves. यानी कि जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है इट प्लेज अ वेरी वाइड रोल इन आवर लाइव्स एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स ऑफ it we are using it. Now let's move further. In the previous slide we have studied about what is electricity, and in this we'll be studying that what are the different uses of electricity. I hope you all are aware of the different uses of electricity as you are using electricity in your day-to-day life. Now the next thing which comes under this is electrical conductors and insulators. Substances which allow electric current to pass through them easily are called good conductors of electricity, such as silver, gold, aluminium, etc. बच्चों, जैसा आप सभी जानते हो कि वो सब्सटेंसेस जो अपने में से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास होने देते हैं दे आर नोन एज गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जैसे कि सिल्वर, गोल्ड, एल्यूमिनियम एक्सेट्रा. उसी तरह वो सब्सटेंसेस जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास नहीं होने देते अपने में से, और यू कैन से विच डू नॉट अलाउ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट टू पास थ्रू देम, they are known as bad conductors of electricity. What are they known as? They are known as bad conductors of electricity, and you can also call them insulators. ठीक है. In fact, most of the substances allow electric current to pass through them under certain conditions. So instead of using terms conductors and insulators, good conductors and bad conductors, we can use insulators and conductors. Now here we'll study about what are electrical conductors. Students, don't get confused. बच्चों कंफ्यूज मत होना. कंडक्टर्स एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टर्स बोथ आर सेम ओनली, and they are materials that allow electric current to flow through them. ठीक है, जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल्स आप देख सकते हो इन पिक्चर्स में. कॉपर, एल्यूमिनियम, सिल्वर, ग्रेफाइट, and you know that graphite is a form of carbon. ठीक है. Now moving ahead, the electrical insulators. Electrical insulators क्या होते हैं? Electrical insulators are materials that do not allow electric current to flow through them. ये वो सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो अपने में से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट पास नहीं होने देते हैं, जैसे कि प्लास्टिक, वुड, रबर, ग्लास. इसके आप एग्जांपल्स और भी देख सकते हैं, जैसे कि रबर हो गया, प्लास्टिक के ऊपर ही आपने देखा कि ये इसका एग्जांपल है, वुड. सो ऑल दीज आर insulators because they do not allow electric current to pass through them. Now we'll study about that some liquids are good conductors of electricity and what are the liquids. These liquids are tap water, salt solution, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, etc. So, solutions of acid and salts are conductors of electricity. Students always remember that जो एसिड बेसिस और सॉल्ट्स के जो सॉल्यूशंस होते हैं वो हमेशा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कंडक्ट करेंगे बिकॉज दे कंटेन्स आयंस इन देम. ओके, and whereas you will study about some of the liquids which are poor conductor of electricity. So the liquids which are poor conductor of electricity, they are distilled water, sugar solution, kerosene, spirit, etc. ये जो आपके substances हैं, these are poor conductors of electricity. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now moving ahead, in this you can see a Venn diagram which is showing the insulators and conductors. आप इसमें एक Venn diagram देख सकते हो जो कि क्या दिखा रहा है, insulators और conductors. यानी कि insulators does not conduct electricity, जिसके एग्जाम्पल्स हो गए टूथपिक, कार्डबोर्ड स्ट्रिप, रबर बैंड, क्यू टिप, क्लोथ पिन. और कंडक्टर्स के कंडक्ट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, पेनी, पेपर क्लिप, एल्यूमिनियम jar lid, nickel, nail and key. Okay, now and which is common in both insulators and conductors, as you can see, pencil, because the wooden part is considered as insulator and the pointed tip, it is made up of graphite, so it comes under conductor. ठीक है, इसलिए पेंसिल इज बोथ अ इंसुलेटर एंड अ कंडक्टर. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स दिस इज क्लियर. So this was your introduction part of chapter 14 and we'll be studying the next part in the next video. Thank you students.